2 points. A, 30 degrees south and 40 degrees east. And B, 30 degrees south and 140 degrees west are 2 points on Earth's surface. Calculate the distance of A and B. Before you solve this, please try and draw the diagram. So this is the picture of this. So you have to draw it. Please make it big so that you're able to have space to accommodate all the values there. So you can cut this one and take the picture from down. So this place, this is 30 degrees south, north. This is A, which is this B, 140. So we are now asked to find the distance from here, like from here up to this place. This place is hidden because you can't see it. It is beyond your eye. That's why we like it like this. So before you find the distance, you should also be able to find the radius of it. That means small r, which is the radius, will equals to cos alpha. So which will be equals to 6,400 kilometer times cos 30, which is going to give you 5,542 kilometer. That's the radius. After getting the radius now, you can now use the formula to find the distance. What's the formula? To find AB will equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r cos alpha. So you now impute the values now. Here will be 140 because you add 140 plus 40 to give you 180 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times r cos alpha. We are putting it here as this 5,542 kilometer. So this one will go. So it be after doing everything here, you get 17,418 kilometer. That is the final.